Hey guys, and welcome to Warmer Words. In today's video, we're going to be digging into the skincare treasure trove. REFINERY29's Unbothered and Birchbox did 2 collaborative bags geared towards the care and keeping of Afro-textured hair and melanated skin. I was invited to the launch and was gifted their Stay Radiant kit to try out for you guys. I immediately got so excited when I saw this first product. This is the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. This gentle but effective physical exfoliant uses ingredients like coconut oil and kojic acid and licorice extract to nourish the skin and lighten any hyperpigmentation and uneven dark marks. Next up are the Specific Beauty Advanced Dark Mark Corrector Pads. Developed by Black dermatologist Dr. Heather Woolery-Lloyd, these pads use green tea leaf extract, bearberry leaf extract, and licorice extract to chemically exfoliate the skin to help reveal newly, evenly toned pigment. We have next the Alafia Coconut Reishi Hand and Body Cream. This is a warm coconut and vanilla scented body cream that uses Capagnan, moisturizing rich butter whose trees are native to the forest spanning Sierra Leone and Cameroon, and reishi, which is an herbal mushroom, to lock in moisture on the skin. I was really happy to see that the bag came with some SPF products as well. This is the Bolden Brightening Moisturizer with SPF 30. So while providing great coverage and guard against UV damaging rays, vitamin C sits at the center of their formulation. I almost lost it when I saw this next product. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Now, lactic acid is amazing because it stimulates collagen renewal. It provides amazing moisture to the skin on a molecular level as well. There's also some other cool ingredients in their blend like lemongrass oil and agave leaf extract. Next up is the Dr. Jart plus Peptidin Radiance Serum. So this powerhouse serum has an 8 peptide complex that is great for reviving depleted skin. And if you didn't know, peptides in particular are the building blocks to proteins like collagen, which in turn promote collagen production and elasticity to the face. After that came this really pretty highlight from the Model Co. This is their Highlighting Shimmer Whip in the shade Mai Tai. Its whipped texture really makes it super easy to blend out on top of foundation, BB creams, and tinted moisturizers alike. This coming fall season will be the perfect time of year for me to try this next product. This is the MAC Cosmetics Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Mixed Media. I'm a huge fan of dark matte lips in the fall season, and the Retro Matte line is known for its long wearability and creamy color payoff. Lastly, we have the Flaunt Makeup Remover Cloths from Lauren Napier Beauty. These wipes contain noni extract, which is an evergreen tree that's native to Southeast Asia, and that tree or that leaf is jam-packed with properties to fight off things like adult acne, dark marks, and dry skin. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this skincare bag opening. Make sure to follow Warmer Words on social media to keep an eye out for our website launch. And until next time, you guys, peace.